Today we will learn how to create discrete area chart in Tableau. So for creating this chart, as you can see here on the right side there is a button, there is a show me button. After clicking here, so here there's an option of creating the discrete area chart. So we can see, so we need at least one the date time field or dimension and one or more the measure field. So for creating this chart, I'll be using the sample superstore dataset. So I'll just take the order date and I'll drop it onto the column shell. And then I'll take the sales field and then I'll drop it onto the row shell. After that, I'll take the profit field and I'll drop it again onto the row shell. So as you can see here, these the two different separate chart has been ready. Then after that, I'll click on the show me button and then select the discrete area chart. So here is our almost ready. Our discrete area chart is almost ready. So for that, as you can see on the marks card. So what I'll just do, I'll categorize the each of the chart according to the category. So here for applying this uh, category option, so applying this to the both of the chart, I'll just drag the category dimension and drop it onto the color in all section. So here you can see our the each chart is showing the different color according to the category. So upper chart is showing the profit of each category according to the year. So as you can see here, so let's make it a entire view for a better vision. So here we can see the 2014 year, 2015, 16 and 17. So upper chart is, as you can see here onto the on our axis, we can see here upper chart is showing the profit and the lower chart is showing the sales. So if you want to label the profit and sales according to the chart, you can just directly drag the profit field, profit measure, and drop it onto the label in the profit section on the marks card, and then select the sales, and then take the sales measure and drop it onto the label. So here we can create the discrete area chart. So, and another thing is, as you can see on the column section, the order date is set according to the area. So if we click on this plus button here, so as we can see the our area discrete area chart has been separated in the different years. So as you can see the 2014, 15, 16, 17, all the years showing the different separate discrete area chart. So this area chart has been divided according to the quarter wise of each year. So here we can see another quarter field has been added automatically onto the column shell. So here it is showing the data of 2014. So here in 2014 our discrete area chart is further divided according to the quarter. So here it is the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. So now uh, we can see the profit and the sales of each category according to the quarter of each year. So this is how we can create the discrete area chart in Tableau. Thank you.